Weston Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for central Chesterfield County, south central Henrico County, north central Dinwiddie County until 2 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sutherland, or 10 miles west of Virginia State University, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Chesterfield Courthouse around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Chester around 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bellwood around 1:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bentley around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pocahontas State Park, Beach, Drury's Bluff, Centralia, and Chesterfield. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, V.